How to fix restricted account in Binance. Now open the Binance and check account alerts is by logging to your account, and if your account is restricted, you will see a red banner or alert on the top. Tap on it for more details. Now check your email. So Binance will usually send an email explaining the reason for the restriction, example KYC issue, suspicious activity, or regulatory concerns, and open the email and follow the instructions they will provide you. And after that, it may be the complete or resubmit the KYC verification. Now go to your profile from the left corner and you will be able, so because I have verified, you will be able to see unverified in red. Now, as you can see, if KYC isn't completed, tap to resubmit your documents and make sure your ID is clear and valid. Your selfie matches the ID and follow any specific request Binance made in the email. Now after that, review account activities by going to your account and tap on your name from here. And as you can see, click on security and go to your device by scrolling down. As you can see, go to your device to check any unorganized device or logins. If Binance flagged something, you will be prompted to confirm your recent activity. And now ensure your account is fully secured. So enable 2FA Google Authentication or SMS. It's by going to 2FA here and now click on Authentication app. You can enable it from here. And to enable the SMS, just go back. Now click on this little row and now click on phone number to complete the SMS verification. Now check all devices and remove any you don't recognize from the security reason. Now wait for the support to respond. So after fixing the KYC or security, wait for Binance to review your account. If you don't see a change, now tap on profile from here. As you can see, tap on your profile like that. And now go to security. And now as you can see, you can tap on the, you can go back. Let's go back. Now tap on the security gear icon from here, from the top right corner. And now scroll down and tap on or click on help and support. Now click on help center. Now you can open a chat with support and explain your situation. If it is a regulatory or policy issue, Binance may need more documentation, so be ready to submit anything they ask for. So this is how to fix restricted account in Binance. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.